Good afternoon, this is Tiffany Zool from the Rockin' Z Ranch. We just had a blizzard and lots of snow yesterday, very cold temperatures. We knew this weather was coming, so we staged this area up a few days ago for windbreaks, because as you can see, there is no trees out in this pasture. So we put square bales of hay in there, thank goodness, because yesterday, if it's going to go wrong, it will go wrong. Tractor starter went out in the tractor, couldn't get it started. We almost got the truck stuck trying to get out here. We got the Ranger stuck in a snow drift, so we had to walk out here and put square bales out last night. Everyone's doing good. I know a lot of people think you have to have barns, put your animals in the cold weather, but you do not. They are all happy and fine. They had a lot of snow on their backs. They say if the animals have snow on their backs and their body's doing their job, and that's extra insulation for them. There's Sweetie. Hi, Sweetie. She still has a little bit on her back. I don't know if you can see it. But nobody acts like they're cold or in distress. Everybody's healthy and doing well. And Jolene was running around out here somewhere. She kind of blends in with the sheep though. We had some of the sheep in that trailer. We even had a cow that got up in that trailer the night before last. But we got the skid loader out today and bladed lots of paths to get out here. Got our driveway bladed out. Got the road bladed down the road, and through the pasture we got a path bladed out and a little path for them to get to their water. I don't know if you can see that up there. We put plywood up as windbreaks around our water system that we got from Russ Wilson Land and Cattle, and it has not froze yet. Fingers crossed. So we still have water. Everyone is doing good. Everyone seems to be happy. So there's Jolene. I see her now. She was just running and rolling around in the snow just a few minutes ago. But no barn. They're out on pasture year round, and they do just fine. These guys, we have a protein tub out to give them a little extra nutrition during this cold weather. So everyone's doing good. Water's not frozen as of yet. Hopefully it will not. And all is good. I'm gonna go warm my fingers up because they are freezing. It's probably, I don't know, single digits. Maybe real feels like -1 or something. So my fingers are frozen. So I'm going to put my glove back on and get in the heater and thaw out. You guys have a good one.